In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your transmission output speed sensor on the Nissan Sentra. It is located on the underside of the vehicle, on the side of the transmission. Let's get started. We're going to want to raise and support our vehicle. Once our vehicle is lifted, we're going to find our way to the transmission. Here we have our transmission oil pan. I'm going to go up to find the speed sensor. It is by the axle. First, I'm going to remove the clip. So I'm going to press down firmly on both sides and pull out the pigtail harness. Inspect for any damage or corrosion. Now to remove the sensor, I'm going to be using a 10mm socket. You can see the bolts right here. I'll grab my ratchet. Make sure it's firmly in place and break it loose. Quick inspection and set it aside. Now I'm going to grab my sensor and firmly wiggle it until it comes free. Here we have our new speed sensor. I'll be using some CVT fluid to lubricate the O-ring. Remember to use manufacturer approved CVT fluid. Now to install it, I'm just going to firmly put it in. Until you hear a click. Now we're going to take our bolt and install it on the sensor. And we're going to snug it up. I'm going to torque the bolt to 52 inch-pounds. Now I'm going to reinstall the harness. Push until you hear an audible click. Make sure it's secure. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test and look under the vehicle to ensure there's no leaks. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.